Everybody knows how Muslims are treated nowadays. It is a harsh reality that Muslims are not liked in most places across the world. Specifically in West, many people consider Muslims as extremists and fundamentalists. There is often a preconceived notion that non-Muslims are forced across the globe for converting to Islam. This has distorted how people from other religions view Islam. Despite this perception, many non-Muslims still respect Islam and some have even willingly converted to Islam. Recently, Netherlands' famous boxer Rudy Mesu has announced her conversion to Islam. She announced her conversion news on her official Instagram account. She is originally a Christian, however she is inspired by teachings of Islam. The boxer said that after practicing Islam for years, she was very proud to be finally officially converted to Islam. And also the shahada part was taken by herself. The ceremony of Ruby conversion to Islam took place inside a mosque in Netherlands. It is indeed good to see highly prominent sportswomen embracing Islam and becoming a global ambassador for religion. Several Muslim social media users across the world welcomed Ruby to Islam. Many Muslims were happy with her decision. They wished her successful and prosperity life. Some people ask why Muslims get excited when someone converts to Islam. Won't you be excited when a long-lost family member returns back home? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect and guide all of us. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Until then, have a blessed day.